time for another unboxing. And this time we have Sackboy, A Big Adventure. So, I have had this for a little bit, and I haven't unboxed it yet with you guys. And I actually love Little Big Planet, so I would like to play it. So, this is what happens when Alora wants to play a video game. She then does her unboxing so she can actually play it. Okay, so I didn't expect that. So first, we have a little Sackboy in a cute little tiger costume. Alright, we have the art, which we will go through, because this is not a huge, collector's edition. It was really cheap. Ooh, I get digital content. Woo! Okay, so the game, and then we do have a different inside case, which is fun. I always like when there's like two, and not, you know, one. Anywho, and then let's go through the art book, the art. So we'll just do it here. Hopefully you guys can see. So this is the first piece. Oh, the thank you card. This is messing me up because like the pages look like they're, I don't know, a different texture, and then I touch it and I'm like, no, it's still paper. Oh my gosh, the little hammerhead is killing me. But yeah, I keep getting like free outfits on the PlayStation Store, so I'm like, I'm going to play this. Like, let's stop. Let's actually unbox this so I can get stuff in, because sometimes you just want something like quick to play. I'm assuming it's quick to play. I don't think it's further than that. I don't know. Maybe it's like an RPG story. I have no idea. But I'm assuming it's like normal Little Big Planet, so like Mario-esque missions and stuff. And lots of unlockables. And lots of changing your outfit into whatever you want. My favorite was always, so I spent way too much money on the first couple Little Big Planets. And, yeah, my favorite part would be just, like, to randomize stuff, because I didn't know what was gonna come from it, and some of them were wild. But it's such a fun and creative game. Ooh, she's cool looking. Or it's cool looking. Too cute. It reminds me of Taz. Ooh, ovulins. Alright. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.